My favorite part about Service Day is getting to meet so many different people from in and around the campus community and in Ann Arbor. Not only do you make a difference by doing things yourself at Service Project, but it makes you feel better to know that you're making a difference when you all work together.
And the best thing was getting to work with a bunch of people that I had never met. I got to do so many different projects with so many different people, and you kind of really build great relationships working with everyone. Kind of interesting to see how many people are still alive at 6 in the morning, where before it's about to end.
I think one of my favorite projects was this project called Dancing Through Life. And I'm a terrible dancer, so it was kind of ridiculous. I was doing like these crazy jumps and spins, looking ridiculous, but I was laughing so hard. All of us were laughing really hard at our ridiculous dancing. And so it's kind of like things like that that make Service Day really great.
One of my favorite parts of Service Day are the late night projects. Like around 3 a.m. when everyone's getting really tired. There will be a shift of Do-Rack, which stands for Do Random Acts of Kindness. And it's really fun because you get to write little random notes on cards and hide them in places where people can find them.
I love people watching because you can just see like all the participants stroll in, grab some food, go to a Service Project, come back, and just like hang out. And it's great because if you have exams, you can just like stop by for a couple, like an hour or two, do service, go back studying. It's a good break.